you're having problems with ice buildup in your mini fridge, you unplug it and take it outside because it will drip. Then get a sharp knife and start chipping at the ice carefully. You're going to avoid the evaporator coils because when you hit it, it will puncture and the refrigerant will escape. When the evaporator coils show up, you need to carefully pick at the ice because we don't want to accidentally puncture it, remember?
We're halfway through. Almost.
Last piece of ice. Yeah, it's clean, free of ice. To prevent ice buildup from happening again, I'll show you some steps. You need to make sure that you have at least 3 inches distance from the wall. I'll tell you why later. Make sure, don't put anything too close to the evaporator so the cold air will circulate. Use a gap free for the air. This is the way you do it.